Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video. So today we are going to talk about a supplement that's driving everyone crazy. So you guys know that it's that time of year, it's summer, and when it comes to the pressure to have that perfect body, the kind we see on TV, magazine covers, and even on social media, we're always comparing ourselves. I know you at least want to rock that bikini and strut your stuff at the beach, right? And it's that great sensation, it's that great feeling. So that's why I'm here recording this video. I'm going to show you something revolutionary, fully backed by Harvard University and some of the most renowned scientists of our time. That's right, guys. I'm talking about Mitolyn. You see, this revolutionary supplement that will help you lose a lot of weight in just a few weeks. And let me tell you a little secret. You'll be able to lose weight while still eating pasta, pizza, burgers, desserts, and chocolates and things like that. So just imagine losing weight guilt-free. Oh, and of course, without doing those annoying little exercises or even stepping foot in a gym. This is only possible with Mitolyn. So lots of people still are asking, but how exactly does Mitolyn work? And does it work? I mean, guys, think about it like this. Mitolyn is 100% natural, and it's a supplement that helps your mitochondria function a lot better. So if you don't know what your mitochondria is, let me explain. Mitochondria are actually responsible for providing energy to your body and helping you burn more calories. If they're not functioning well, you gain weight, no matter how much you exercise or you diet. That's why Mitolyn works. And it contains ingredients like maqui berry that helps you to improve your mitochondria efficiency. Rhodiola rosea, known for boosting your metabolism. Amla, which is this like Indian gooseberry fruit, and it's really, really rich in antioxidants. You also get theobroma cacao. This ingredient helps you aid in fat burning. And let's not forget about Chisandra, all right? So these are natural ingredients that you get in Mitolyn, guys. And all the ingredients are 100% natural with no side effects, contraindications, or even GMOs. So these ingredients will get your mitochondria working at the level your body needs to shed weight in just a few weeks. But let's be real, you don't want all these technical details, right? What you really want to know is if you'll actually lose weight. And what I can tell you is, yeah, absolutely yes. I personally lost 20 pounds in less than 3 weeks without eating any of those veggies we hate or touching a single dumbbell at the gym. Over 70,000 people have already used Mitolyn and seen incredible results in just a few weeks. And you're not going to miss out on this. I mean, are you? That's why I'm leaving the link to the same website where I bought mine, and it really worked. And it's time to free yourselves from the prison of fat once and for all, guys. I mean, the time is now. And if you're ready, click the link below this video in the description or also pinned in the very first comments below. And just imagine yourself at the beach, rocking that bikini this summer, and none of your friends knowing your little secret. I don't know, I don't need to say anything else, right? So that's just it, guys. I just want to stop by and share this exciting news with you. And now that you know what you need to do to slay this summer, I hope this helped you. And I'll see you guys next time. All right? Bye.